If equipped, Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a set distance between you and the driver in front of you without having to constantly reset your speed. To turn ACC on, push the ACC on-off button, then, depending on your vehicle, push Set Plus, Res Plus, or Set Minus to engage. The distance button or buttons let you change the distance between you and the driver in front of you. If there's no driver ahead, your set speed will be unaffected. But when a slower-moving driver enters your lane, the system automatically adjusts your speed to maintain the distance setting. You'll see the Sensed Vehicle Indicator icon in the instrument cluster. The system will maintain the set distance until the driver ahead accelerates above the set speed, moves out of your lane, or until the system is manually disengaged. Now, if the driver in front of you stops, ACC will maintain your set distance and bring you to a standstill as well. If that driver starts moving again within 2 seconds, you'll resume motion without the need for driver interaction. After 2 seconds, driver intervention will be required. If your vehicle has ACC with stop and you're at a standstill for more than 2 seconds, the vehicle will release the brakes and cancel the feature. If your vehicle has ACC with stop and go, you'll have to tap the accelerator pedal or hit the resume button on your steering wheel to start moving again after 2 seconds. If the driver in front does not start moving for an extended period of time, the system will cancel. The electric park brake will engage, and driver intervention will be required. And please note, ACC may not stop you if you approach an already stopped vehicle. For example, at a stoplight, driving around a curve, or if a driver in front of you moves out of the way to reveal a stationary vehicle. Remember, ACC has limited braking ability. The driver is always responsible for collision avoidance. To deactivate ACC, push the ACC on-off button again. It's best to leave the system off when not in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.